I did work so much GHS of first time the yes as Robert to the Mariana one high the door now send a banner upload me so for the first person we are set with the and it was then you may know it was a active just show to get to at 20 days in that and some year air force a woman no and even simple Yanya about them and the Amasa ways of our social media so we and common access about for a dialogue if we so any that's what a yes and in the woman just a baby by your kind of come here, set a year no and a warrior now. So if you just a baby by one body producer, that's the way. Chance for the rabbit together, I'm sure yeah, 3 SHs. Yeah, and another doctor who father by the buy the side video who ever was said. In the home, I must move from and I just said it's coming air Camudian animal into 3 SHs, no more back, I will collapse. And no answer for that. You want to end this for a honorable community, I can't know. And a health minister, so there was just happy the Ghana for your sitting there. But if you dare for the primary health care at the upper, and in the old gas of that any child, the Yana South Ghana card, and it's your pressure on the hospital, diabetes netted to the end how the Yana South Ghana card, not walk on walk up in Ayano, and I Ghana for the HS and this is for Edias for her, ever than no more attention to his own for share, and Yabuya, and over the Abasa ambulance, they had Ghana place in 18. Never probably the Abasa and the ambulance. If you so address are very near the money idea, a good water than me, will be even a fair share of health care. No, and it is somewhat in the yes to me about the let's also come home. They are my communication member at the NPP, Mr. Farouk Papa, for the Common access. Papa,
yeah, I don't know about what I should.
Yes. Mostly, Mahama.
Oh, yeah, dear, we say, yeah, before there. Yeah, die, and the insurrection, say, na yen car say Mahama on ye. Ghana for na, ye respect Ghana for, say Ghana for say, ye home from Niaman, who ye the last tenor of the, yes, ye regime, no, Niaman, who ye inti, ye entry and hona, among your party for from Brambet to Yajumadian so. And I always say, ye nim Jumadian and not done for the Dr. Mamudu Baumia. Nim Diemuno Modi Boo or my home by 2024. Ghana Force. Now, imagine Krana Ghana Force a one from Ukraina. It didn't lose relations. It tells you, say, yeah, but internal issues. Kosha Ghana for MPP 4 2 million plaza and for Abba. NDC for the 100,000 per account vote 2020. One would win elections. It tells you, yan a boy of one bro. Because say I dear Befina Mafia in Libya. Blames no, yeah, MP for one to can crazy and penny for him because a buzz is from the blame Makufado. In a sense that appointments no one sided. As the 8 years appointment to one person, as appeal loyalty to people that was subdued to him, and we Mama no more in the political career. These are so say my appointment to one side 8 months for 8 years. It tells you feel more competent, feel more until Brena Bufu because of Omo Nyebia as a part of our Benya and Dodenica crack creating Benya. In this very case, it's not about us, it's about Ghanaians. They are so Ghana for you, so MPP. MPP a party, I respect. Now, in terms of political effort, it's an range in the MPP for you, some Ghana for Senate NDC for. If you are quite via so. Yes, soon, that's a years margin. I'm talking about Nema Pines, social intervention, Nema about life, Moema Brabum Yemre. Yan in number. And this is for Libya. Yeah, Breuka, and this is because our constitution, more constitution, Munsuwa, Mananyamra, and Nejuma. It's really the constitution of Mananyambrano, and to me, so it's a national health insurance. That's before the buy. That I'm not mad free. Who we are somehow Tom Brown near one day in account the coffee. One woman own Kakolibuho. National health among for Brubuso, for Brubuso, for Brubuso. Still, a Kitanimudium, yet die a Belmu 2016. A caricature of Bruni who say, Ever National Health is Untia, would the cock prana and go quiet mound running. You could do Granaka who quiet and Jikra, as a cash and cardinal Naya Kaye free one. Until Jay MPP 40. In you made ye, none say more, but me dear. Ghana card, if I say Ghana card, or more Brubuso from Jerry Kufu, at Thomas Crab, maybe another Gabi. Ma, Baumia say no. Ye need a francophone countries nature in Wisha. Ye know Nedija. Inti Ghana card no, ye no ECOWAS. Sunday bear your microphone 2.0, Omunko di karate, yellow card nechi answer, omut me akoye businesses. No do as a no, still crying for cheap. In a cheap embedded card. Send a bear, other cards or national head driver's licenses with snake card near the never me a slot to a dear gusso. Send a bear, and no one crower, a yadimwa. Now, winning the more. Enti Ghana card yediaba national health yediaba zip line yediaba zip line yediaba na ndisi for crowd busy movement organizer or say ko hwe mba ho modwaye. It tells you say na mapa yedibu man ko nanim no ndisi ni sa nim de no.
Enti mudi we nyina ba mudi social intervention aba say na wo kan say ba Ghana no mu a before no boy ba social intervention abo ya de change ndisi yes Ghana for say dey be mo be ye mo ya ba ya kasa kire mo amonti asem people them so for no kwa and na enjoy it wo ko and na wo ko na sabe NDC aba wo mo ba ya malanche free healthcare primary healthcare mo say abobo ya no ko fa but ma penisa be chim say anya abobo ya ya dia ya di ru ni ku ya dia sorting ni
Oba fefe wo say yes see nti wo de wo bi Oba fefe be ma enunyam from Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Nyamishira no ewiye mre mu or the ambulance back 300 ambulance well finished ni kai ambulance bi ato force ni ko wo video na kam yi kire wo me phone so ambulance bi ko fa ba wo di funu tumo funu be nyane eno so ko no be buye so o si ambulance ni kan baaye anse na mu nkonwa no so be no so be bu we am kan en twasumu nti se ato force nka wo nyina kire na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia say David Ghana for deserve better. No, the ambulance printer papa well furnished. I would the more doctor team or the lab or the first drip a seal so because it's a do hospital no at least you will be at a little bit at ease. Now doctor no can show. Now we see side we you could that's what we see the primary and free primary health care. I could share a tricycle.
Oh, who said I don't know and Chemo the Abani say who said unlike health insurance you will never be a health insurance in a cover. But with primary health care, almost say, here health insurance, here so we put health insurance card. Once a health insurance that is offer register as a member near my card. Now the hospital, what's near access to Savi health care. But where the new here in Ghana card, open up check pressure. It's in the area more do fear and car number. If you know about the check out, provide a so Ghana have a Ghana card and one who gave you.
Oh, I'm in sure ma NDC for omonfa adanko endada ya adwe ma munye krokro dejo ye nam ho no nyame adom ye mi ate ya te no man mu ache udi sa ade ya besi o se enya ambulance na eden you know omo yi national health mu ahoden no gole be musi mahama case no say health be I don't know mahama case for who NDC for anawana odi we so akoba excuse mami say obi yare when so bitimi yare ko hospital with neatness and quantity money pa no to owura ho a doctor it's like environment ni nko manipa no feel okay ama no to mama yen MPP for ye pegana nko so anka mama twen the sign our brabo mama o twem mbo no the sign practically sana one time we ni ma two time we chire say wo ko na balance net emuni uni so ya do for no kunu times 2 ni bana mu yare dada na bi adi wasa for waka
no ma akonya bade no anya ntem se we na afi be traffic no betimi adoje potholes bi say bia won fie bi na emergency bi wo ba obetimi afọ what ho harrison no do wa
ai mama nchi wa green be si bi so na say who pia bo mu sa green as a lemon green light green you see car bi see shatawale na di bios I don't know mo de uba the car is very cute so say ya dia wo pa de ketwa de anka car sen ketwa wo mama boat to car sen kitin yentumi use bi afa yes have primary health say free primary health care with the friend saying yentumi just a tricycle I don't know I don't want to use the northern character no for attack target that tricycle say northern side no free obi say yes sadness aha and crying ntumi fa bia ho na mo ama used to okada ni sa tricycle ni sa abobo ya na aha yen cry at least mama na ni ntika kra wo ne mabi
but aha yen cry no your health workers especially when we in here omo nante and the programs and say tricycle yaba say no in the way no pa be wo nante no so atikaka no mo wetimi ai ama say komba nante mo metimi akufie be yetim ho a with this tricycle mo metimi akọ more than 10 houses from the Korea Waga.
Mammy, no, okay, who can a tricycle say, until all catcher say, the private areas no one to coage, Moncron crossing one a coage mananka. A whole young one and young cran and young one, and even that once I did well, Dicky. You so trying to me go. Mammy, yeah, chinny, you so quiet to me, Nantim. You so try the car, and to me, Nantim. Jerry telling us, so I don't know, because he couldn't and Quentin or the other. Mamma, but if I did we, what tipper, they didn't go abachelo. What to Kumuha, na Mahama in Crawford, the nebo, a candle, or the nebo abachelo. Yeah, you see, let me tell you, Muhammad's governance has crashed.
Governance of even with war here, because if I was near sustaining for taxes, near different some are still at full pricing cost.
Apart from John Dramani Mahama, the luckiest president so far in this country, only in Guinea. Mahama new record, Papa Biao. Let me give it to you. Mahama first as a vice president. At the Airbus in a target, no court, sir. Say so-called say, the assembly and assembly free. Secondly, every president at almost 6 months, only there 4 years, or the being so na coffee. Mommy, up to now, Mahama need good record. Because you see, Abuboya, as we are sitting here, Oka, or the Oka, baby police, or the Omoka, national service, or the Omoka, but teacher for their main camp. Necessity, empire, allowances, police for welfare. Mommy, the country has crashed. And as I say, I say, Saname, you know, this is 7,000 kilometers. And say, Uncle, Ukraine, Russia, war, Ghana. Until they can never tell us, say, Israel, America, and Iran war, and your effect will be this war. Well, you like is a fundamental thing, you know, positive. You see, inflation as of now, 3% or so. Yeah, GDP, dollar. So I say artificial or natural, whatever it is. 1 year down the line, dollar 10, 11 up to now. It's adding NDC and John Dramani Mahama. Among to Ghana for energy. What minimum was school say? Say dollar na GDP okay. Not single as inflation, a single digit. And my commodities price either a stable one about from Nkosoro. As it stands now, Cocoa for the Omoka near Sikanoka, what Tim was on Kwari and Kan was him. And so, Omogonaka, when this come from Chiamka. Why, you must say, Mammy Cashew, and you cannot do no more for Cocoa Academy. I'm for Cocoa Academy. Cashew, I can't be a cashew. Who call friends and Bononi Bana outside no more. Cashew now 25 cities per ton, and they are 8 cities. Who call TikTok? You see them lamenting. You see, at times you see a thing some now research. Research now, you to me and your fact. If you send a bear a bamoha, then you bet now station you quickly. Then you bet now have the intro. They say they can't go Jena. Nippon also telephone, laptop, so no, yes, searcher. Won't say, oh, near Brent, but now can hear no pray. The country has crashed. BBS, oh, my name.
Mr. Farrow, those are some more smart friends. Now, UK, Iran, most smart friends now, you are Russia, Ukraine war. And also, the energy is a gun and more, Mr. Russia, Ukraine war. And this is a gun and near can be a number of 100. This is a Lindsay, and I'm not why it is. So, no, not as welcome the name. And the enemies of Russia, Ukraine, Israel. It's a Israel,
Russia, Iran, in America.
Papa, yes.
I'm a Mamma. Young Fatuna, a veteran, I am Fatons, and they say, because young Bresono, and yet early stage of our governance, as how we are affected. Early stage, 16 months under Anado's government, Ghanaians were hailing him. 2 years under him, they were hailing. By now, 16 months, 3 SHS a year, Juma, next allowance year, statutory allowance year, and other name of Papa Ghana for any J1 SA mom, and yet 2019, 2017, 2018, Ghanaians were hailing another. 2019, a COVID the boom. Another told us, sir, obey to me, I manage the economy, no, but Nipankwa, want to me, my managing Bankwa, it's young body power by. It's Ghana and a Nipan to me over COVID. Italy, Germany, America, Casamus, superhero, Nipa, we are not fear Shinipa. They never been seen Nipa. So it tells you, say, they managed our lives during the COVID time. They managed our life very well. So it tells you, mommy, you can't compare apples to mangoes. And then under 6 months of my friend is saying, this current president, John Dramani Mahama, a lot is happening. Mommy says, I'm telling you. 2024, I don't look. Near to 8 cities, 50 pesos. What's your bad time? Who tried there? And the 12 cities, 50 pesos.
But then, Mr. Farrow, who expects to say, and you never seen a college. Say, you never party Chinese, and you never swap on me. Because I'm from a class of 4.
I'm when you was young, I call you money. The 2024 now, we'll see dollar number 17, 16, 14. No, I will see inflation number 28. I will see GDP number if I'm not stable. No, by then, number clear 8 cities, 50. Calculate we even know. By then, the number was more clear 50 pesos. And then dollar number 10 cities and 11 cities. No, our inflation is in the digits. No, our GDP for one, and then milk now also.
Sir, and then sir, a GDP in a for Mexico, but you have to say. Not no work was running can miss cow with the not like more than a number of people from Nazi. Can it be the parliament?
My physicals that we are seeing in judging inflation and Juma say stabilize the economy and money commodities from. So once we are seeing that's the fundamentals, once we are seeing those things, effect our livelihood, as a top Never be a cotton first, we turn 20. Ankata Metro, I don't make 8 cities, and come now 7 cities. Now, you come. And this is where I campaign by Reginako, by Ren Dokunako studio choir campaign. Then you need to come here who ended Dokuni Ataso. And then the more I say, bro, about for 500 Ghana, say for 450. You should talk. And then will be a bruise, will be a BC. So, will be a journey. I have a friend who is a farmer as well, apart from a military officer. Or a farmer would be able to academy because importation does. Minister look on import or be any interest for importation here the same or the sorgan for nothing no more yet. I'm waiting myself. Joima would be compare Mahama year MPP day. In fact, because Baumia import 300 Abubuya, one club, one abba, and a good. And the NDC near Swadi, NDC as a party, only vision.
And yes, I raise who are gonna afford the one more before ministers say, more the more vision as a kind of first one. The big vision, the banner vision, I sustainable money, your council munsi, a benefit as it is a neck, about the say Charles was and Shani here, Nipa 1.2 million students here, the work free education. The government now at the field course, a piano. Out of the government calamity, between one another for the your country NPP applying any dental education minister said policy media, but Mama you quite the first why the policy will be back because Ghana who gets me the bus. 18 Kayan one more near book woman almost means just office, one never some policy, Mommy kind of one see, and a woman really said Ghana for you now, and for a piano quietly. It's a one thing as a Casabre, what's the answer was okay. I bind the fib. I will phone is on Fabia, and can you understand? I will phone it say everything said, the rubber to schools.
Ababa, laws are made to be amended. The Jawa near their swap. Baku for and children for. And a journey of 1,000 miles start with a step. Send there, says remove 4 only including only John Dramani Mahama. On the crack of free as His Excellency, or free as Nibia. Then there, 16 years down the line, the northern sector has enjoyed the national health defense and free SHS. Now and there, a bang be a bar. No, see, Ghana, Hamami Ghana, Hayati, and Yendio mine own fast to many walk. Yendio, Yambo Brand to be and to each year. Yen fast to the just travel and see. If you are born age 0 to 18, a buying show, to be a bank yoka. Coping do 18 years ago, university area, West Atejuma, a buy better taxes, they are born mine on bra. Coping 60 years, a bambasa show up, say, it tells you, say, you are benefiting from the country. Ghana, then they are benefiting. And I will say, India, you are calling in India. 3 years, no more for SS, no one to yes, campaign funded. It tells you, say, NBC for India. Oh, the son of a people. We know, he didn't say, impossible, NBC, mercy up. or to the campaign, and as the my headmasters, no more cotton ponche, no more monton biane. Now it's like they should take our first full charge of what, and we have buffer stock that supplies food to the students. Into the Okoka and Uko and throw at the headmasters. No. And then the Amoka and Damaba, it Mahabo Ache, assume Muache. Say, near buying catcher and a beer new one within a year. A business teacher for 16 months plus, Unchiomoka. So, so then be so this year in our training college. I got trust to training allow a friend say, training for licensure exams. No, we now opportunity, no, I tried 16 months. You and Chad and what? Mahama, I it tells you that John Romani Mahama in all sectors we're failing. In all sectors, the health sector, the education sector, the agri sector, all sectors were failing. Yeah, strategy of buy you. So importation of chunk rice, no more import to the buy any and one who cost you no share this in or say money and what. Push or say money and what. Abapa, while more fame, in this old game of phone. You don't deserve a mufun. When the rela umbrella, obey the lily, and now obey the peacock. Good rice, a yiba kumba, come on, and no obedi. Mean this hard mona, old Niana, as a school colano, a trouble musano, and you be now. It told me to me, say, Sa peacock, and this island, and this a friend said, the price is 60 Ghana and 40 Ghana and 1 baby. Mammy, I'm going to walk a robber, and only. So we are telling you, say, and this is for Ghana for health, and the kidney, then a whole lot, you will off. And they'll take you to your uncle check it, or whom I take.
Free primary health care,
free primary health care, mammy, no being a BP and 15 or no to a boy. Now, call me saying, or better, and now Kodahi. Mammy, Yarophobia, no, Yaman, Yarophobia, no, man, international, Yarophobia is what Toda. And in the veins, to me, Jumaye. It is hard, you know. Baumia de quite no limit, dear now. Baumia Mamunim, dear no. So, Mansika, the boy, my obra. A Mansika, what was it? The minister of the Obia saying someone will come find whom the Yankasa and Chia and this Foka. What are good one in America? Oh, no, men say no. She had the other now something funny with the papa. But in this phone, you miss it, Baumia say, on best say Baumia. Baumia, you ain't say no. Yamin, I didn't know. Ghana for two, about me, Ghana, in Dia or the buyer. And then say more, I don't know whether you heard about the news. Neil and Vanderpoint, the drip director, the national drip director, I want to say no to, I want to internet on Ukraine so. I see drip number me and the buyer, they creative woman Ghanaians. We know NDs are also Ghanaians. In St. Mama NDs in the Ghana, the whole Ghana district office, be our district director. I mean, in Crawford, one and say, our district offices be through that trip with money at the buyer. And it tells you, say, Baumian Piano, we will tell Ghanaians and we will plead to Ghanaians. Say, almost so Baumian share, the Ghana will change. Baumian Piano, so. Into young father, Sam tricycle, no, and by compare Baumia ambulance, no, but you know, say Baumia ambulance 300, no, the buyer, no, I got 191. How in I say, I'm and easy. I say, no, I'm not the guy condemn the asset at least. Omunto bingu.
Mr. Farouk, so the boy went to Pimonia and the Koso, a bloody baby, and a woman. Who could give papa a poor bump so every woman support every base now. Ghana for September 2028, and I remember the car. Now, every people who need the kitchen, and this is who the base, the Canabano. One more ash, one you wear by the base. Only a month for now, air flap by Sabrina. Say a canoe outdoor so a by the swap. One our form and check. If you are phone in Fabian, a binding for school fees, no one for a uniform, one for books near them. One day our form and chess and a bear, a bino, a cool back in time. I'm not free as it is for it's the actual rapport and say.
Oima, near me saying your phone fisura mawa, forget it. You can't make any good out of this very education structures, a mood. And your health minister, Oya Kokorano, now a conduct committee, no so, they be no bashing. And the man was doing good. Because during his tenure, your family for COVID, Nipa in a Ghana. Oh, but with this educational side, yeah, okay. Let me tell you. Nanado Danko Fado, Ninim Diemo, you know, say before you because of a band temple. People were expecting after 2 years, nobody any city free SHS. But no catch them says, I didn't than Akumaso. One you be from Magana, quite no quaddy, or saw your Magana. Into a free citizen in a haste and in a rush, and I'll make it sure. Let me bring you back to the educational structures. No, only said John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, damn, it was his previous governance. You know, he promised 250 e-blocks. Or see 49. When he said out of 49, he had the almost 50 something e-blocks because of Unkwalani school quality. Because I say being school classrooms, see almost school classroom problem, feeding a problem. See feeding a problem. By then, when you end this in Kasa and a school got traffic lights, red, gold, green, and send the brain out. But mommy say you better not say Ghana for near Yamidia Bedunamia. Into your soon use resources and I check in Yamidia chair and I'm from boy and mine for near Dioma bro. Because if you want the country, I be beer will be a Ghana. Your prayer when you made the oil class and pay so. Do you know there are we found the brewer oil, I said discover oil. And this is for one in the and then if MPP should come power today, they better discover more oils, I say it. The air to you and discover it. Discover by what discover be. After now, so it tells you say in terms of governance, NDC can regulate elections. They have means and ways to take power. But how to govern is their problem. How to govern? Yes. I can tell you, NDC knows how to regulate, and I'll repeat it. Read my lips. I know why I'm saying this. There are a lot of constituencies, even including these our constituencies.
Security apparatus in the national son. Let
me give you this difference between Abayo and Abemo. Difference room. Abayo and Abemo. Near Oti Abemo, a record base. And another damp of Fado Dia, already John Dramani Mahama 2016. By then, not John Dramani Mahama the first time. But this is the case. Abayo wako 8 years. Abayo wako 8 years. Until after 8 years, what are you expecting? After 8 years, and moreover, that very 8 years, you know, breaking the 8, you know, a slogan. And definitely, uni will call for a park one. Want to mean some Kuna for the Dinko. What was politics? A strategy. It is all your politics. You don't bring down your people. You go with them. So whatever way, positively or negatively, you have to go with them. So you're breaking it. Historically, you're breaking your history. And I had this one former for governance living and Nanado Ebu Yanka. I can make me breaking. Because if you didn't know here now, because you got 2 million to obey, you 100,000 for 2 million. They can't be it is an amazing affect your hope Ashanti in the World Bank. I it may lose 6 and say it tells you say something went wrong. It's him say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Yamina Denaba, so Betty Ghana for a 1 year because they are also their time. Baby are affected. Baby are electricity bill out here. Boom, 30% increment. Water bill, 20% increment. It's like tariffs. Baby are basa. So one is 3. Oh, my way. And then another 16 months. Now, we'll 4 3. Mammy, Nanado, because and no one can feel you or secondary school can be so many home. I'm telling you. So this man has done marvelously well. So
Mr. Farouk Zadwe, you share and let the grade for one more air lunch the grade. Now, you should be part of any debate that she had done for us. I said, and people won't now probably. So I began a person and the person. And now, the basic happens and it's a person and now.
And yet, they are but and yet the only any will be there. We are still talking with the hierarchies. And Nanado winning penny for be any can year meeting within last week in the morning idea. We are seeing the outcome. But I can tell you on authority, say the base, and this furnish actually. Me come to crack round, oh, TMA, miss forget about NDC. And then I want to teacher. The teacher NDC, I said, I'm an appointment, no, what's up with you. Alan, I got a chairman appointment. So also, let me tell you, no independent party can win power in this country. The only thing they can do is to be Hassan. But it says maybe in elections. Say, chair, and Bruce. Let me tell you, and now party in the Tuaba, where Ghana for the Tuaba, and the Ghana for the let me tell you, yeah, core elections. And she said, be able to do, can say on pay, including proxy voting now. You're starting 92. I'm going to go chairman on him now. I'm going to go for trouble. We still will pay in every. The most serene election I any that election I into what is it a threat on Baumia another day?
That's it. Honorable Ken Becasai. It's also kind of say I are not being fair.
And then American will say, and the guys have been 4 year engagements, and I know Ken will not stood that low for this people to mislead him or a seasonal politician. Okay. He has invested a lot in MPP. And we respected him for that. Excuse me, so be our answer. I want to be a new Apamono. When Baumia winning elections, last summer, 2023 elections, no, they proposal vice president or the baby, even for this regime, Minister of the Military also on pay. So the on pay no then pay. They are called primaries, well lose. In a nice way, well lose. Nippon say fine. Then found call advice. We say that on pay. That's how more troubles in the cheap, that's how commune, and what they lose in the more room.
So now,
2023, that's the proposal. Okay. So, I'll call them a good contest. What close to Gabano? So, they are moving in the combo, South Nabaco, North Nabaco, Muncombo, what happens? You don't know. One penny, rather than no summer or the attacking Baumia and the campaign here Baumia. And only Baumia downfall. Guy no saw what was happening in the country. And after 8 years, excuse me, madam, for you to win election after 8 years, a year, whoa. Because now I don't know whether you were in this country, what the NDCs were doing. 2024 elections after elections. Now, you didn't declare 72 hours number. I don't know whether you saw the heat that was coming up. So the way things were happening now, I'm considering we defeat, And now Ghana Force trying to say a man is how respecting and say, no, this man loves Ghana than anybody. Because Obi are 72 hours, 42 hours for a man. Oti who you checking facts and your data right now so with the nyaba ikrampo no never better can kwa na meluso nti masa opoku fa ninko. Mommy, let me tell you something. We are parliamentarians. You are parliamentarian now. I said we took it said elections are won at the what? Polling station. Did you mount your polling station wall? Did you get your pink sheets right?
So no yet or sign no so no budget to so we
money parliamentarian who so win your parliament for. Until we said defend MP or defend any on the yes. MP after elections. You accumulating the party office. You know data, you know the answer. They are calculation center. We don't just get up and go there. So anything they say there, you don't have a clue about it. No. You know, pink sheet now, about 5, I started to so before 7 o'clock, the near really imagine we have it. And sign of community every Isiano. So before we get there, we were facts that. In this very contest, there is no way with me to be the Let the who say very chaotic, you know, see them cocotte. It's simple. Of course, no cogina the baby. Into the same applies to other MPs. Ask yourself. Other MPs are struggle here, so whom over cocotte. When you couldn't, this very young man had Gijiri. Also one with court issues here, Charles Edward Tema. Also we need and others are more the aka. So are you exceptional from these people? Because you can't stand the heat and make sure you face the facts and get your power. No, see, I buy now consider defeat in Timiso and relax. No, excuse me to say, after I was to win power, with what was happening, no go about Cope. Yeah, and before you know, we'll say it as it is. And this is before we can go to Mamma. Say number yet, can, a bone. In the John Dramani Mahama, comparing John Dramani Mahama's administration to previous administration is no. It's too early. We are crashing Temdodo. And I'm telling you, yesterday I was doing this very on the program, you see. And I'm catching him say John Dramani Mahama in many years when to me I'm not BB and BB, then you have 2 years. When we
clergy Bonabaso, so far, and we have papa Nasari so what witness governors degree. Now comparing the second coming of JD and Harvard.
Oh, I saw for quite a year. Be a papa, be so and your papa. Inti me mpesa meta call mo but na social TikTok about say mu ye my temper. Baby mami Ghana ha le wo. Wo de yen fa hwe kwa fa LGBTQ. E ko si say LGBTQ asofo sorry ye societal groups. It's like I don't know when I mention Malam for Imam for say no anyone na for inside up to now bill no crime starting of parliament. Up to now, bill no starting of parliament. A software Mukasa, where are they? Where are the clergies? Where are the Roman Catholics, bishops? Who's a Bishop Bibekasai? What on one? Your friend is saying this very man, Tete, on Namuna, Dini Homina, because somebody that board so. Maybe I saw the board so. A big salary, I'm telling you. I saw the breed the board so. Missy, I saw the breed the board so. A big salary. A man to cotton account, Mukro. Drink up on him far by now. So it tells you, sir, now where we are now, no, and yet a dear, I suffer no, a more dinner with your phone, I suffer need be, you know, with your phone, I tell him on mine, I timono. Until I sorry, but only said, no, my pastor is misleading me because I don't know, so called government now know pretty good about him. No, I'm not seeing that good thing in him.
Mr. Farouk, you have very said, you come on the ace now, Okasa said. A man, the former president of Dr. Kufuado, and in 24 air Kasa concerning the base. Every week, you are running Alan every party. Kenya NPP communicators with us one of the power or no coffee for NPP party more. Intimate Shemia, or Koi one who needed by the way to her NPP. So since when I realized this at the base, you want to someone a very high.
Oh, mommy, now say, over also, I mean for A+ issue. Also, A+, but the youth must rise, the youth must rise. And no one obey ya near son, the money a man is car, cry boy, and I'm no swana, or you come and I'll start here. Oh, no, son, dear mammy, now, you know, one of them or if them was your on your party or so. Now, your appointment, when your appointment or age. Oh, yeah, man, take a also in near my excuse me, say, near my phone or demonstration found, a bit say we know. A bit doing no demonstration found. So where are they? Raphael is a Raphael not born no dama or call. We just to coach me no one. You say a man is got credit and why you come? And your boys are going to me. You ain't charging me for. You're sure mine for Ghana for you're gonna do my. You're for my musical made me for baby. And you fine. You can say we are book, but you book mine up Ghana for your own faso. Nima be brain is it be brain now by now. Baumia. So I would not be used to and no, and there one thing I plus can or say under these 16 months, or more government lands, they see that more than 3-4 buildings, mansions, and new buildings, and mansions. And no one more talk to cars, I talk to their girlfriends. Yeah, dear, you know, a lot is happening. So I can say, sir, if I say, all right, no, mom more boss because within these 16 months, no, they change oral no. The good and he tells you say the base for no, you will tell them a party. Mama, among for insinuate say a hatred to Baumia. Yeah, Miss China Mekano. Mama among for insinuate and Guinea and Susu say a be about Baumia into the way because transparency in elections and I you won't be that. And I'm telling you. Among for Akumada MPP so. And the base is so. Indeed, depending the base, no cause any carrier. There's no way the base can win elections in this country. If suppose the base no cry about some poor. But in Japan, we know seasonal politicians like in Japan will never invest in this very debate thing. Oh, me yet are disappointed. Or any part. Nipa be on this into. Ebi adwina emre na person join ni abe join. But I know. No, me cannot tell say. Oh, because adwina is support am but because adwino, obi wo ha to me convince wa na wa adwina emre. I say oba we in the lie. The obeka na adwina emre na obeka. Into the pressure that will be mounting on him no na yɛne kasa de bia na nu na nkɔ betumi awini yɛka bi da ala no kɔ betumi awini saa na ɔde kɔ yɛ akɔbu ne wani mas no ade head amount when moreover we know say NDC for nsa de kyire ejako unnim mfasodie a ejako nya wa MPP mu unnim mfasodie mu a ejako nya wa MPP mu na hu so atimpo and na do na atinu kwa mba so enko ntina na do MPP party na egbu asa na ba no so bibi begina yi na ende we see the base and excuse me to say we are learned now when all you move down we are a scholar we are a professor we are a lecturer we are a doctor we are a lawyer na ejako ko take decision mawa ask yourself questions. I'm asking no I will say is the no wait me tie mami adwene nko na nyansa nko me nka so ni adwene but adwene nko na nyansa nko na fie adwene nko na school nyansa nko
yeah amase ano ye hairdresser court na parliament house e ma take decisions e dey my doctors lawyers any prominent people here boom dey say ya go so e actor no so ni akanya court na parliament house na so take decisions and say
so parliament say nka fi wo o dire na o ka
amase wo ko e o ka de o
do na o ka Tie me doubt you be a credibility. But I talk about somebody's credibility. Because nipa. And a nipa bia woni sinto. And a ejako as in person. Now I see the base in now marshling in no di mo anima obolanche ekwoma. Now the professors and the lawyers over there, which lecturers taught you in the university? And then
ejako you be a or what don't want that for the general so more largely winner for beer or what's a dom what's influence immediate anyone set and say
Mame, let me tell you. Okase Obio is singing there. You want international comedians and you local comedians. So in this very case, you are telling me you don't go to form the code the business, you know. And it's an apart remino. You can't say something mechano. Who me say Jacko a comedian because of his comedy. Yeah, dear. People will follow so fine. So I don't comedy na do question don biama and the base there no more problem. The type of people that will follow them. So excuse my word. Why do you nyemra? Why do you nyemra be ditri? So if you see any professor or doctor or lawyer following because of Ejako is leading now, then he is bringing them down. Because politics, we know in this country, it's a bad thing. It's a third party winning elections. So that's what I'm saying. Say, we know. Research. We just want to have our facts right before we come out saying something. But I know, like I'm saying, I know Kenny Japan, some part of his political when he is to means to do that low to this very the base are all busy day. So we know at the end of it, we hear good news. They will come and join the good team. Near NDC for 2028, near rescue Ghanaians because adena atija amamuo na ekoso atija adu kokko say Dr. Man Mahama mumo no atija eja to akrache enya de ombetumi arepe so yan hwe na Dr. Mahmoud Ba na nyame na ma ye yiye mremu guy no wa tresu ni ban bia bi say yetete no oni mode we sua de adwunu ma bobel nyame ya adum 2028 ba we baba na Ghana di ko educational structures ni na woni ba we was electoral you know US or there. So in terms of that, now inshallah 2028, Bama will become the next president of this state. Nothing will stop that. Only God, and God will never stop it.
Mr. Farouk, I will say, I never mark I made in a article, see the gap, 8 years old, and the message with their comments no comment section for at the Amadi Fitzy and their comments. Set no people boy, ya bet. Not why I say a teacher that the background was too much GH so all the social media handles know too much GH. Also, I feel like that share. I'm a that good.